Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, I am Muhammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka.
Dear student, today we will discuss on cash book. Dear student, after this lecture, you will be able to determine the amount of transaction which will not be included in cash receipt and cash payment journal. Then you can prepare cash receipt journal, you can prepare cash payment journal. Let's come to our today's class. Dear student, this is a question. Look at the question. On March 2017, the transaction of Namia stores are given below. Later on we will read the question. There are some other transactions. Then requirement, determine the amount which will not be included in cash receipt and cash payment journal, and prepare cash receipt journal and prepare cash payment journal. Dear student, look at determine the amount of transaction which will not be included in cash receipt journal and cash payment journal. That means which transaction will not be recorded in cash receipt or cash payment journal. All of you know that in cash book we record only cash transaction. That means non-cash transaction we will not recorded in cash receipt or cash payment journal. For this math, look at the box. The amount of transaction which will not be included in cash receipt or cash payment journal. Look at first you will write the date, then we will write the transaction, that means for particulars, then we will write the amount. Let's see the math. Cash fund, that means this is opening cash fund, this is not receipt or this is not payment, so this will not be recorded in cash receipt or cash payment journal. Then good purchase in cash, that means by this our cash money will decrease, so it will be recorded. Goods sold in cash, that also cash taka 4,000 and goods 1,000 withdrawn for personal needs. Dear student, look at cash 4,000 withdrawn, that means our cash money decreases, so it will be recorded in cash payment journal. But look at 1,000 of goods withdrawn. If owners withdrawn goods, that time our cash money will not decrease or increase. So, dear student, this will not be recorded in cash receipt or cash payment journal. So, another item is goods withdrawn. Let's say loan taken from bank, paid by check, then received from Shupti, shop rent, paid, sold old computer, that means interest allowed, all are related to cash. All are related to cash, that means either cash receipt or cash payment. So dear student, let's see the answer. The amount of transaction which will not be included in cash receipt and cash payment, that is cash fund 57,500 and goods withdrawn 1,000. Total amount 58,500. I hope all of you understand. This will not be recorded in cash receipt or cash payment journal. Now dear student, next requirement, cash receipt journal. Cash receipt journal. Dear student, all of you know that earlier I have discussed the format of cash receipt journal. Today we will do a math cash receipt journal. Again I am telling the format. At first the format is most important. Date. At first you will write the date, the which date we will receive the cash money, which date we will receive the cash money. Then we will record account credited. Account credited, that means cash debit, account credited, that account will be credited. Which account we made credit in journal, that will be recorded here. Then source, if there is any source is mentioned, then cash account debit, discount account debit, these two account will be debit, and credit will be sales account, account receivable account. If there is any other, that will be in other account. Except sales or account receivable, other account will record others account. So other account receivable is also known as debtor account. Dear student, let's see the math. Now let's see the math question. Look at cash fund. Earlier we have told that this will not recorded. Then good purchase in cash. Good purchase in cash, that means by this our cash will go out, so it will not be in cash receipt journal. But in March 5, look at goods sold 45,000, that means by this you receive cash money. By this you receive cash money 60% by check and remaining amount in cash, that means whole the money you receive. So dear student, let's see sales, account name sales, and cash received 45,000. Why? For sales, so cash debit, sales credit. In cash column we will write, and in sales column we will write, and account is sales account, because if you made journal cash account debit, sales account credit, that means account credited is sales account. I hope all of you understand. Let's see next one. Cash টাকা 4000 and goods টাকা 1000 withdrawn for personal needs. That means cash money goes out. So it will not be in cash receipt journal. Then loan taken from bank টাকা 50,000. That means by this we receive money. By this we receive money. Loan taken from bank. That means our cash money will increase. Look at bank loan account name. From bank loan we receive the money 50,000 in cash column and 50,000 in other column. Why not sales? It is not sales, it is not account receivable, so we receive loan, that is other column. 50,000 in cash column and 50,000 in other column. Cash account debit, loan account credit. Then next topics, paid by check. Paid by check, that means our cash payment, not cash receipt journal. Received from Shupti 24,250. We have received from Shupti 24,250. Full settlement of his debt taka 25,000. Let me, dear student, that means from Shupti is our debtor. Shupti is our account receivable by 25,000. But instead of that, we received 24,250. That means 750 taka is discount. 750 taka is discount. Let's see the solution. Look at, from Shupti we received 24,250 and 750 discount. Total amount reduced 25,000 taka. Dear student, 25,000, 4,250 we receive cash and 750 we allowed discount. That's why it is here. Then next topics, 27, sold old computer of business. Sold old computer of business. Look at, if you sell computer you receive the money. Dear student, computer is office equipment. Look at office equipment account. Office equipment account taka 9,000 cash and others account, because it is not sales. Dear student, all of you know that you may made mistake by writing sales. All of you know that sales means if you sold goods, that is called sales. If you sell any other asset, that will not be sales. That's why it is others account. And look at the last topics, interest allowed by bank. That means we receive interest from bank, so our bank money, that means cash money, will increase. So it will be in cash receipt journal, bank interest account, and cash, in cash column it is 1,000 and in others account it will be 1,000. So dear student, total of cash is 1,29,200. 10 is more here, and 750 is discount column. Sales is 45,000, account receivable is 25,000, and others account is 60,000. I hope all of you understand. Then dear student, cash payment journal. If you know the box, date, account debited. Earlier it was account credited, now account debited. Now check number, source, purchase debit, accounts payable debit, others account debit. This is fixed column for cash payment journal, and discount credit, cash credit. Earlier also I have discussed this box, this format. By doing math, the format will be easier for you. Now dear student, in cash payment journal, what we will record? All types of cash payment. That means by which transaction we pay the money. Let's see the transaction. Let's see the transaction. Good purchase in cash. That means I have paid the money. So good purchase in cash 10,000, by check 25,000. That means purchase account 25,000. Purchase 25,000. Purchase debit, cash credit 25,000, because we have paid money. Then look at date 10, cash 4,000 and goods 1,000 withdrawn by personal needs, withdrawn by owner for personal needs. So goods not cash payment, but 4,000 cash we have paid. So drawings 4,000, drawings 4,000. That means owner has taken money from the bank. Look at drawings account, because you know that if owner withdraw anything, that is drawings account. Drawings, it is 4,000. That means in other account, and our cash money goes out 4,000. Then dear student, next topics. Look at 14. Paid by check. Check number is given here to Sadman 29,000 in full settlement of his claim 30,000. That means Sadman, we are liable to pay Sadman taka 30,000, but we have paid 29,000. That means 1,000 is discount. 1,000 is discount. Sadman allowed us discount. Look at, we received discount. Look at Sadman account. That means we paid to Sadman. That's why it is Sadman account. How much we paid? We paid 29,000. Our cash decreased 29,000, and we received discount 1,000, and 30,000 is our accounts payable decreases, creditor decreases, Sadman liabilities decreases 30,000. Then dear student, now shop rent 20,000 paid by check. Shop rent 20,000 paid by check. That means we have paid shop rent. So rent account by check. Look at our others account will be, because not, it is not purchase, it is not account payable, others account will be debit, and cash account, cash money will decrease. So this is the total of cash column, this is discount column, this is other account, this is this. So dear student, this is our cash payment journal. Very easy. I hope all of you can. If you face any types of confusion, if you cannot, then you can discuss with me through messenger, WhatsApp. All of you know my number. Dear student, stay home,